Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play on BetVictor using a computer device. In this case I'm using Windows PC, but you could be using a Mac or MacBook or whatever Mac device. It should be the exact same. Unfortunately, BetVictor does not have a downloadable desktop app that we can install on devices, but they have an iOS and Android app for mobile. From there, you want to go to Google on any internet browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome, but type in BetVictor. And sometimes there are sponsored advertisements at the top of Google when you type something in. Sometimes if you type in BetVictor, there might be other betting apps that run advertisements as sponsored links. Skip those and go to the first organic link. For me, it's www.betvictor.com, this one right here. I'll put the exact link in the description of this video. Click that one, let it load. If you do not have an account with BetVictor, hit this button and sign up and create your account. If you already have your account, go to the login button and type in your username or email and password and start playing on BetVictor. Anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.